Prices are rising again, sentiment is back up, and the burns. We're going to be talking about the burns for Shiba Inu coin because they're going up as well. Guys, yesterday was a very volatile day. Absolutely. Bitcoin coming back down from 112,000 all the way down to $107,000. It's so cheap at $107,000 now, isn't it? Yeah, because if you're complaining about moving from 112 to 107, you obviously view 107 as cheap. Well, it's already on its way back. $109,000 Bitcoin and Shiba Inu coin doing very well in terms of its community efforts. So let's highlight them, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, Shiba Inu coin's burns are spiking. We're going to be talking about the numbers. We're going to be talking about where these numbers or where these burns are coming from. But I do want to say this. With sentiment as volatile as the overall price action, moving from a level, guys, you saw it, 76 extreme greed yesterday. Bitcoin's pullback caused it to drop to 67 greed. Think about that. That is a major decline simply because Bitcoin ran from 112 to 107. Now, the way that I deal with that is, number one, I have to tell myself to ignore it, right? The emotion creeps up no matter what you do. But number two, it's lessened because I diversify my portfolio. Shiba Inu coin is not the only crypto that I own. Bitcoin is not the only crypto that I own. I own a lot of different cryptocurrencies. And because of that, the volatility in one of them does not affect the price of all of them. And one of them that I've been diversifying into recently is Solixi token. Now, there's only 22 days left during this ICO, and these guys are closing in on $40 million. Think about that. $40 million raised. This is really heating up right now. And if you guys are interested in buying in, you got a link for it down in the description below. It's going to pull you up to this website right here. From there, you can buy with card or buy with crypto, and you connect your wallet. Now, I like to connect via Best Wallet, so if you guys don't have Best Wallet, you got a link in the description that's going to pull you up to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. You're going to be able to download it, and then all you got to do is type in how much you want, and those tokens are yours to claim on launch day. $40 million is a lot of money, but that's because these guys are building the first layer 2 blockchain on Solana. Now, Solana is by far my favorite blockchain. I like Solana tokens the best out of all of the meme coins and so on in terms of, I guess, overall trading volume and so on. Clearly, Shiba Inu coin, Pepe, the larger Ethereum-based meme coins are great out there, but Solana is cheaper, and therefore it attracts a lot more traders. But when things get congested, it becomes very expensive, and Solixi is taking care of that problem. On top of it all, even if you don't want to buy in just yet, click that link down there and see everything that they're building. The Blockchain Explorer is live, the bridge is live, you got the DEX Igniter and Wiki coming soon, and this Igniter is going to be very good. It's almost like a pump fund. You're going to be able to go out there, create your own tokens, and of course launch your own tokens. So that is a huge benefit. But let's talk about 22,000% increases in the Shiba Inu coin burn rate. This article goes on to say that the SHIB community continues to make an immense effort to reduce the supply of Shiba Inu coin. Now, this time, it has managed to push the daily burn rate up high, giving it a 5-digit boost. Now, according to the SHIB burn tracking platform. Meanwhile, the second most popular meme cryptocurrency, Shiba Inu coin, is striving to recover after a 10% drop that it faced overnight. So if we come out here and we look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is doing very well, bouncing back from about $107,000 to $109,000. Shiba Inu coin bouncing back as well. Not to the same tune though. Shiba Inu coin fell from this descending wedge pattern, and it is starting to recover off these 1,400 point per coin lows that it hit after the last couple of weeks of gains. Now, if we go out, this is a daily chart here. You could see this descending wedge, and it goes. This one's gonna be easier to see on a weekly chart. This line that Shiba Inu coin is bouncing off of here, it is the line that connects the all-time high from October-November of 2021, the fresh high that we hit in March of 2024, and the high that we hit in December of 2024. That's the line that Shiba Inu coin continues to get rejected off of. And once it breaks this level, Guys, technical analysis is not guaranteed, but once Shiba Inu coin breaks this level, it could surge higher. If you look at its historical pattern, every time it breaks out of a major level of resistance, it rips up. Every time it breaks out of a major level of resistance, and this is a very fast move. Shiba Inu coin is not known for its slow and steady growth. Shiba Inu coin is known for its explosive moves. Ones that ignite FOMO rallies and emotional buying in retail investors. It's what it did back in March of 2024. Honestly, that's what I don't know if I'm going to scroll all the way back there, but that's what it did in 2021 when Shiba Inu coin ran up to the all-time highs of 8,800 points per coin. That's what it did in March of 2024. That's what it did in December of 2024. And that's what it could be doing throughout 2025 here on a very explosive move, which is exactly why I continue to accumulate. Now the burns, though, the burn numbers are not significant enough to warrant any price action just yet, but they're an excellent indicator that the Shiba Inu coin community is not giving up. It says the recent update shared by the above-mentioned source, SHIB, reveals that over the past day, the Shiba Inu coin community has managed to dispose of several tens of millions of SHIB, sending them out of circulation. In total, nearly 38 million Shiba Inu coin were transferred to the unspendable blockchain wallets and locked there. The two largest transactions in that short period of time were 23 million and 14 million Shiba Inu coin. Overall, 410 trillion have been burned, with 584 trillion continuing to circulate in the market. As covered by you today over the past week, the Shiba Inu coin community has succeeded in burning a whopping 1.1 billion Shiba Inu coins via the automatic burn portal. I don't know about that number. I haven't seen that. On Friday, Shiba Inu coin began a hard fall, which resulted in the morning of the lost 10%. The meme coin crashed from 1,586 points per coin to about 1,400 points per coin. By now, the meme coin has managed to recover about at 1.82%, but was again pushed back down, and at the time of writing, trading around 1438. At the time that I'm recording, trading around 1444. So it is trying to bounce back a little bit right now, and hopefully it's able to regain this 200-day exponential moving average. This has been a very strong level of support, or resistance, over the last couple of months here. And if Shiba Inu coin can regain this level, we could see a very nice breakout. If you guys are interested in accumulating even more Shiba Inu coin, or any cryptocurrency for that matter, you got a link in the description below for the KSX exchange. That's what you see on the screen right now. SHIB can be traded on up to 75x leverage, with literally some of the lowest fees in the game. Futures fees on KSX, 0% maker, 0% taker for Shiba Inu coin, 0.01% taker for things like Bitcoin. If you're interested in holding long term, make sure to check out Best Wallet. You got that link down there for the Google Play Store, Apple App Store. It's going to pull you up to the correct one, whatever you got on your phone. And then from there, you guys know how to download apps. But this is your access to the blockchain so that you can have your cryptocurrency in your custody. Let me know what you guys are doing. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.